How to add a new accountability partner. An accountability partner is a very important tool. When you create your profile with Panbit, the last question already allows you to add an email of a friend or a family member as your accountability partner. This person will receive emails weekly and monthly with how you are doing in your habit creation journey. That way, they will be able to celebrate you and also call you out if you are not doing the work. In order to add the accountability partner, when creating your profile, you only had to add their email in the last step. But if you skipped that, don't worry. Here you have steps to add a new accountability partner at any time. Tap the settings icon on the top right of the app. Find the Edit Profile option and click on it. Find the Notifications Receiver email. Press the editing icon in form of a pencil and write there the email of your new accountability partner. Press Save.